Another day, another Realme X2 custom ROM. Today I'm excited to show you the new Derpfest update May 21st for Realme X2. Welcome back to Smart Depot. If this is your first time of watching a video, or you're new to the channel, or you like our video, just smash that subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell icon to receive notification the next time we bring a video, because this one is very exciting. If you have known about custom ROM, you probably have come across Derpfest, but in the Realme X2 latest update May 21, this guy is loaded. When I mean loaded, it is loaded, and it is just as smooth as anything out there. Let's start with the fingerprint now, because the fingerprint actually didn't implement the foot 101 implementation where the screen do not have to flash, but yet the fingerprint is quite fast. This is the default, just the way it came in is quite very fast. Now let's try to register a fingerprint on this latest updates Derpfest 21st May for Realme X2. As you can see, this guy is just moving. I mean, it's just a few times I've tried to register fingerprint without having any interruption throughout the way. So I decided to do it here and then capture it for you to see how good this guy is. Of course, the developer said he's still going to implement the Fold 101 so that there won't be flashing on your screen while you are actually doing the fingerprint. But for me, the fingerprint registration is quick, is good, is fast, is accurate when you try to check it out. Now, let's check it out now. You can see that it's one touch, it's opening. There's no animation yet, but if you go to setting, Derpfest setting, lock screen, you can choose even different icon. There's plenty of them there. You can just choose anyone. I like that colored one. Makes it look a little bit, and then you can choose animation. Right now I've turned on animation on. You can turn on animation, you can choose any. There's plenty of them. I'm leaving it with the stock default setting for it. So you're going to use the fingerprint once before the new animation starts, icon starts showing. Now you can see now the animation is just showing, which is very good right now. See it now, it's fast, it's good. So if you're worried about fingerprint for this one, just think about other things, because this guy is very fast. So let's look at other things here. The smoothness, the performance, man, this ROM is smooth. I'm telling you, it is very smooth. From scrolling, from opening apps, from the animation is even the animation is even sweet. The way it pops out animation and brings it in is very sweet. So this is also something you need to note when you're using this ROM. So there's no problem about animation. I checked everything, opened app, closed app, memory management, everything looks very quick and good. I did some little gameplay. I will do a dedicated video for gameplay, not to make this video any longer, but the smoothness is showing even in the games. You could just play games. I did play PUBG, but I didn't put it here for some reasons, because it will make the video longer. But just subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to put up some gameplay and other advanced stuff with this particular ROM. So the camera is carrying an old Google camera. Damn, it is poor. So you just have to get your Gcam. We've done various and loads of video on Gcam, so you can check out our Gcam playlist right now in the tab or in the link in the description, and you can install that. But the stock camera is an old Gcam that's really not good. Then another thing funny there is that the navigation, I'm using the navigation gesture. You won't see it normally, but when you search, you will see it. You search, you see it, but normally you're supposed to see it in settings system, but it's not there. Apart from that, the normal navigation gesture still works. There is no face unlock for now, but probably it might come in the next update. But there is a smart lock. I don't know whether people still use that anyway. Loads of other things here. Just make sure you watch to the end, because there are two basic things that made this ROM stand out. There is dark theme. Now the dark theme is not just any dark. You can choose any kind of dark, like pitch black, there's black AF. There are various type of dark theme depending on the way you want it. You can choose. There is even different accent colors. There's it's there. So I always like everything pitch black, you know. There is loads and loads and loads and loads and loads of customization in this one. It's just so much here, you know, and it's just wonderful. So I'm going to show you one of the things I realized that I couldn't also see the setting. From the setting I couldn't see game mode, but game mode was there. If you go to the status bar, you'll be able to see game mode. You can turn it on. But then normally you're supposed to press and hold it to go into the game mode, but I wasn't able to see that. And then if you go into the setting and you search for game mode, you're not going to also see it inside the setting. So that's one of the things I also noted. The other common thing that happened with most AOSP, Android open source based ROM, is Instagram not just signing in with Google. And if you don't have Facebook installed, in Instagram won't just sign in. So that's another thing, it will just crash. So all you need to do is to clear Google Play services, Google Play Store, and then have Facebook installed and logged in, and then you'll be able to, you know, go into Instagram. Then the most important thing here, which I kept for the last, is Google certificate device certified, and CTF profile true. So this guy is doing this. I didn't install any module. I've not done my how to make your device certified on this one, but everything is working. So there is so much for this. You can check it out. It's a very stable ROM, very good daily driver. The calls, everything is just cool. And in this phone, there's no call recording anyway, so you have that in mind, but everything is working fine. So that is it. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.
Right. I see.